Guys, so welcome back to my channel. Adiatu here, Naturallyads on YouTube. So in today's video, I'm planning for the week beginning August 1st until the 7th using this kit from CaressPress. I think it was called like Sunrise or something. I don't remember. And I paired it with some pink hollow foil from PlanWithAds. So I did the build your own foil bundle. Of course, I color blocked again this week because why not? If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel before you leave and turn on the bell to be notified every single time I upload. So I am going to let you guys watch me lay down the base and I'll be back for the day by day. See you. Okay, so let's get into the day by day. Ooh, I don't know what I was doing there. I think I was trying to fix the light so you could see the hollow, but it wasn't doing what I needed it to do. But yeah, so I know it fixed my car getting fixed this week with a another car icon from Paper Candy Art. Then I noted it was week 24 of my maternity leave with a Bella Plan LR sticker and a script from PMD Stickers. So starting with Monday, I noted that it was 4 years since my grandmother had passed with this angel wings icon from Cardi Plans. I noted being super tired with the bed icon from PlanWithAds and a script from the Honeybee shop. Then I noted being unwell with a stick with a plain code girl and a with Malik script from Planner Pixie Co to note that we both were sick. Noted having some tea with a drink cup from PlanWithAds and a tea time script from the Honeybee shop. I noted watching more Heart of Dixie with a TV icon from PlanWithAds. Then I noted calling my insurance about my car with a phone icon from the kit. I then noted calling a mechanic with a wrench icon from PlanWithAds. Next, I noted having a really bad headache with this sticker to Planco Girl and a headache script from PlanWithAds. Then I noted doing some memory planning with a planner sticker from Paper Fire and a memory plan script from Planner Face. I noted putting some stickers with this Crafty Planner Co sticker sheet and a pull sticker script from Daily Journals. Then I noted getting some takeout with that icon from PlanWithAds. I noted another plan with binge with a YouTube play button sticker from PlanWithAds, and then finally another TV from PlanWithAds to note watching Love Island. On to Tuesday, I noted being tired AF with a pillow icon from Carly Plans and a script from PlanWithAds. I noted feeling really ill with this Bubba Bear Studios, I think it's called, sticker. I noted getting a Tesco delivery with this Planner Face sticker and a Tesco delivery script from PlanWithAds. I noted calling the mechanics again with a phone icon from the foil bundle. And then I noted that they came to collect my car with a car icon from the foil bundle. Next, I noted that my car got fixed. And then I got my MOT inspection with a car icon from Paper Candy Art. And the inspection script is from PlanWithAds. Then noted finally eating. So I noted it as brunch with a sticker from, what is it called? What's the shop called? I've gone blank. I don't remember what this shop is called right now. This shop is mostly a kit shop. This was a freebie. But now they have doodles, but I just can't think of the name. Sorry. Then I use this planner faced icon to note pulling more stickers. The pull stickers is a script from Tilly's Journals. Then I used Fox and Cactus Fox like wearing a baby to know I was wearing my baby boy. Then I noted what did I note? I used a $sign, then I used a with Malik, and I don't know what that means. If maybe I bought something for him, or maybe we went. Did we go somewhere? Oh yes, we went to the cash machine to get the money to pay for the car. That makes sense. That's why I wore him, so we could go get money so I could pay for my car in cash because they were bringing it to me. Okay. I was confused for a second. Then I used the YouTube play button from Planner Hannah, and also the $signs was from Planner Hannah to note Plan With Me binge. I noted some late night tea with a tea icon and a tea time script, both from the Honeybee shop. And then I used a takeaway box from the kit to note getting some takeaway. On to Wednesday, I noted waking up early with a script and icon from Planner Hannah. I noted being super tired with a sticker and script from the Honeybee shop. I love it when it's a double like that. Then I noted having some tea with another croissant and tea icon from the shop that I can't remember still, and a tea time script from the Honeybee shop. And then I did some memory planning, so I used a planning time sticker from What's With Love and a memory plan script from from Adobe Amy Designs. I noted still being ill with a Bubble Bear Studios sticker. I noted doing some Plan With Me prep with a book icon from Planner Hannah. I noted making some brunch with this sticker from Carly Plans. I noted a Plan With Me binge again with another YouTube play button from Planner Hannah. Then I noted the Malik rolled over for the first time with the sticker from PMD Stickers and a first time rolling over script from Adobe Amy Designs. Then I noted him taking a lot of naps in the day with a sleeping baby from What's With Love and a nap script from Make Plans. And then finally I noted a YouTube binge with a YouTube play button from the Crafty Planner Co. maybe. Or it might be from, no, this is from the Crafty Planner Co. because of this paper. And a YouTube binge script from Planner Hannah. Moving on to Thursday. At the top of Thursday, I noted being tired again with the duo of stickers from the Honeybee shop. I know it's still being ill with this Bubba Bear Studio sticker. I noted Malik being really happy with this lovely sticker from Paper and Milk. Into the extender, I noted having some more tea time with the sticker from, still can't remember the shop, and a tea time script from the Honeybee shop. I next used a YouTube play button to note a Plan With Me binge, and then I noted filming the Plan With Me. I was probably doing it at the same time with a camera icon from Olive Studios. I noted pulling more stickers with a sticker sheet sticker from the Crafty Planner Co. and a pull sticker script from Tilly Journals. I noted that I started doing some research on baby-led weaning with this chopping board icon from Planner Hannah. Then I noted being annoyed at my husband with a Olive Studio Olive looking sad. And then finally I noted watching Heart of Dixie with a TV icon from Planner Hannah. So I'm guessing Love Island finished on Monday because that was the last time I noted it. On to Friday, I noted some Mummy San time in the morning with the sticker from Pink Diamond Planner Co. I noted some tea time with the sticker from Apple Blossom Prince. That's what it's called. That was what the sticker is from, and a tea time script from the Honeybee shop. Then you noted some Tummy Time fun with a crawling Bubba Bear Studio sticker and a Tummy Time fun custom script from Make Plans. And then I noted being in my feelings with this crying cat from Sweet Ever's paper and that in my feels script from Olive Studio. This was from before when she was a physical shop. I then noted having a talk about my feelings with my husband with this ring icon from the kit. I then used this fries icon from Planner Face to note getting some takeout. I noted watching more Heart of Dixie, the TV icon from Love Island, the TV icon from Planner Hannah. And then I noted a Plan With Me binge with a YouTube play button icon from, is this from Bella Planner? I think it is. On to Saturday, I noted Malik being with his dad with this paper shy sticker and with dad script from Adobe Amy Designs. And then noted sleeping in with a with a pillow icon from Honeybee shop and a sleep in script from, this pillow might not be from the Honeybee shop now that I think about it. It could be from Sweet Ever's paper. Now I'm confused. If it has been from Sweet Ever's paper and I've been saying the wrong thing in these last couple of Plan With Me's, I apologise. I don't have this sheet anymore, so I can't even check. I might check on the websites after this. But then I noted having some tea with a tea icon and script from the Honeybee shop. And then use this notebook sticker from the kit to note a plan with me binge. I noted getting some takeout again. Oh goodness, we spend a lot of money on takeout. With this cutlery icon from Planner Hannah. And then I noted doing my husband's hair with this sticker from Cardi Plans. And then finally I noted some cuddles with my son. With the sticker from Sick with the Planko and a script from Sweet Ever's Paper, and then a TV icon from Planner Hannah to note watching Hot Dixie as we were cuddling. On Sunday, I noted being tired with this pillow icon that could be from Honeybee Shop or Sweet Ever's Paper, and I tired as another script from the Honeybee Shop. Then I used this apple blossom print sticker and a tea time script from the Honeybee Shop to note having some breakfast. I noted making my Tesco order with the sticker from Cardi Plans and a Tesco order script from Planner Hannah. I used a YouTube play button sticker from PMD Stickers to note Plan With Me binge. I noted watching more Heart of Dixie with a TV icon from Planner Hannah. Then I noted cuddling Malik with a PMD sticker and a With My Love script from Planner Hannah. I used the heart icon to note some family time. The script is from Planner Face. And then finally I noted that Malik was fussy as usual with a crying sticker from Joy of Planning and a Malik Fussy script from Tilly Channels. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to give me a thumbs up if you liked it and let me know what you thought of the spread. I am going to show you guys what was left of the kit. I'll give you guys a bit of a wiggle. And yes, so I will see you in the next video. Bye.